So where I started was because there's 6 people, so I know 3 is half of 6. So I divided these guys into thirds, but I still had 1 cookie left, and I thought
Those are halves.
half. And I thought, what else could I use? So I thought about the 6, because that's and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh wait, oops, I erased that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I realized in 6 we're sharing among 4 people. We can just give some of the ninja people.
Yeah, make sure you draw that out so it looks like 6 instead of 8. And what you were saying to me made sense. And so in the end, how much cookie total would each person get?
They would get 1 half and 2. Wait, think. 4 people, 1 half and
Well, there's 6 people. So you said 1 half, and how much of this 6? How much of this 6?
Okay, do you guys get it? I'm done.
Make sure you erase that and then you show 6.
It's also equivalent to. I'm using Ninja. 2. I mean, 2.
Yeah, that looks fun. Cool, Nick. So, looks like you guys are all doing, it looks like Jonty's doing something a little different over there. But how did you get this one real quick?
Yeah, we all did it together.
Good. Okay, Jonty, what are you doing?
Well, I'm doing, so I know that there's 6 people, and that there's 4 cookies, so I have the 4 cookies here. And then I split it into 6, so that each person would get like an equal amount. So then I put the numbers in them, and then I'm gonna add, each person gets 1/6 in each of the cookies. So I'm gonna add all the 1/6 steps together. And if I do this right here, 1, 6, that's 2, 6, 3, 6.
Why are you going up in number?
4. What?
Why are you going up in number? So you said 1/6, then
well,
plus 2
plus,
6.
plus.
Oh, okay. Do you know what happened?
Yeah, I got mixed up there.
Okay.
And then, so if I have 1 6 1 6 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that equals 4 6. So each person will get 4 6.
4 6 for cookie. And so I guess what that would look like in the end. How do you see that pencil? Do you mind if I draw on this?
I don't mind.
Okay, so 4 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess each person would get a little over. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so go ahead and cut it out. Hi.
Yeah. Awesome.
Like new chocolate.
So you guys are still working on it. Where are you starting?
So we always exist. So are we supposed to use 1 paper for like you said, 1 paper for that question, 1 paper for the other question? Does that mean as a group or on our own?
On your own. You guys should each have, absolutely. This
Each
one's
have
good.
2 papers.
Yes, so in the end,
Okay.
you'll have 1 paper with a top problem and then another paper with a bottom problem.
Gotcha.
Cool. Any questions about the math program? Besides that kind of math? Besides this math that we just talked about with the 2 papers? So where are you guys starting with trying to figure out how to break up the 4 cookies?
So we're just
Wouldn't it
gonna
be easier to first write on them?
do what I normally do. I think we're gonna probably start by just giving everyone
people. And only
I just trying to give everyone as much as you can to start off.
Trying to give everyone as much. Oh,
So like
okay.
normally we would do a whole, but since we can't do that, we should probably do like a half.
Well, so you go to the next closest number,
Oh wait,
closest
hold on.
amount
Hold on,
to
I
it.
have an idea.
That's cool.
Well,
You can also go get your own glue. Yeah. Okay. So, what? Oh, okay.
Maybe we should
Where'd you
color them in
go?
before we. Maybe we should color them in before we use them on.
too late.
So Catherine, Avery, and Eva? Cool. So where did you guys come up with this answer?
Well, we just decided because 6 cans go into 4. So we decided to split them in half,
Okay.
all of the cookies. And then there were 8 halves, and
Uh-huh.
6 can go into 8, so everyone got 1 half, but then there were 2 halves left over, so we decided, and 2 halves make 1 whole, so we decided to split that whole into 6, so everyone could get 1/6.
Cool.
So a half and a 6.
Half and a 6. Cool. I like.
Notice this. If you did like only lines going down or like sideways on the circle, and there were like even spaces between them, well, that wouldn't work. But for the square, it would work.
Like with the brownie, it's probably gonna be easier to draw tenths or fourths or fifths because you can just go like the edges. And with the circle, with the cookie, it's easier to draw a fourth because it's just like flat.
For differences, if you cut the circle into 6, it would not work on the square, because if you did 6 like this in the same motion, these 2 would be bigger than these.
Would you have to share it in different ways? Would you have to place the lines in different ways?
Yeah. I mean,
Same?
like you can in like the square, you probably have a little bit less options to put. Like if you want to draw a fourth, you could just have to go like that and that, or you can just go like other ways. But with the circle, you have to have a little bit more options because it doesn't have an edge.
I thought you said edge. Okay. Some more ideas. Some more hands, some different hands. How would you put lines on this? Steph?
You'd have to. So you could do it straight downwards or diagonal.
Or diagonal? Okay, cool. Let's see. How could you guys use this sharing of the cookies or brownies and take it outside of the classroom? How could you use it somewhere else? Sharing. How could you use that somewhere else? Think about it for a second. Where could you use sharing something? Think about it for a second. You guys are turning to talk, and I want to see more hands in the air. You guys will turn to talk first. Sure, go ahead, turn to talk.
If you had food, maybe you would share that.
So you're taking it in a different context. So instead of actually taking something physical, you're thinking about something that has an amount and taking that apart. That's
Or if I have you can't really split, but if you have hard candy, you have split with your brother. Yeah, but I don't go. And then you should also do pomegranate. Yeah, pomegranate pie. Maybe if it would be like the eraser, you could split it into different things. Like, you can cut it into
So you guys are thinking about all things that you can touch.
yeah.
Are there other things that you could share?
What do you mean, like split it into parts?
Split it into parts. Claire brought up something cool about money. She said if you're trying to share $1, you could think about it and share it into quarters. You're trying to think about something like that.
Yeah, maybe sharing $20 between you and a couple other people. Wait, what is it?
I want to see more hands in the back too. Oh, good. Let's see, Grace.
When you have a sandwich, well, I personally don't like to eat the whole thing. I like to cut it some way. So you can cut it into fourths or tenths.
Does anyone else do that?
I do.
Yeah. I don't think I ever eat a whole sandwich either. I always cut it in half. Okay, Aiden, you had your hand up.
I just forgot.
Okay, sorry. We'll come back to it. Avery.
Like with the pizza and splitting.
Mm-hmm. And shape a minute.
A pie.
A pie. Mm-hmm. That's what Kaden and Seth were talking about here. Nick?
A chocolate bar.
What?
A chocolate bar. Like divided into.
Oh, like the Hershey bars? Uh-huh. Yeah, Dan?
Like cakes. When you have to split them.
Oh, yeah.
Layer of cakes.
Yeah. They're all divided. Claire, do you want to talk about yours? Yeah.
Well, money, if you're gonna split like a $1 bill into quarters, it's 25 cents.
You're going to split it among 4 friends or something? You can just do $8. Yeah.
Sort of like Grace's, sometimes my mom cuts the bagel in half and I have it for lunch or some other sandwich.
And that way the bagel's cut, sometimes it's cut twice.
Yeah.
Straight down the middle and then
Oh yeah,
straight across.
yeah.
Okay. Is that okay?
With your ice cream, maybe if there's a little bit in the bin, you could ask, I would like a half of that or something.
A half cup or something? A half a scoop? Mm-hmm. Yeah, Catherine?
Oranges and paper and watermelon.
It's more 3D kind of.
Yeah. And also watermelon.
Cool. And Eden? Yeah.
Pizza or some sort of food.
I think Avery mentioned that, but that's absolutely correct. Owen?
You could share the balls at recess.
Yeah, that's it. There's a couple different kinds of sharing. So if you have a certain amount of balls at recess, you could share it. Say you have 10 balls and 5 people, each person would get 2 balls. But if you have 1 ball and you're just sharing it, it's a little different, right? There's a difference between I'm gonna share, this seat with you or whatever it is. Yeah, there's a little bit of a difference. Yeah, Grace?
You know what, there's quesadillas.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can split them into fourths and then you
Sounds good to me. Okay, Sammy, last one.
like quesadillas, like I said, you can have a layer of tomatoes in it or guacamole.
Mm-hmm. Like 7-layer bean dip or something. Yeah.
This is what
Yum.
I'm getting